today I picked up a 2-ton press at Harbor Freight. Let's get it all together and see how she works. Here's box number 1. Number 2 now. Let's see the big pieces. Okay, you can see what's in the 2 boxes. Just a lot of big, giant metal pieces, and should be fairly simple to put together. Take the bottle jack, put it in. We don't need no stinking instructions. Okay, I got it up on the box to try to make it a little bit easier to work on. I'll put these first few pieces on. So this is one of the feet. There. This crossbar goes through here. And I also okay, pretty much same routine to the other side now. Well, it's officially a project. I got blood. Okay, so put these pins in. Goes like so. Go up here. Okay, I got my hydraulic press in place. I put this transmission down here. I'm going to press a bearing in for it right here. I'm going to press this bearing in and see how she does. Look at that. Holy crap. You see that? Like butter. Okay, I'm trying to press this output shaft onto this new bearing, and just about there. Kind of almost fell into place, but let's see what it does here with it pressed. Wow, it's like butter. Nice. And there we go. That was a piece of cake, man. That was awesome. So there it is, the $140 hydraulic press from Harbor Freight. You saw it push that bearing in like it was butter. I did the other one too. Actually, you probably already saw it because hopefully I put it in this video. Yeah, I can't believe how easy it did that. So I should have bought one of these a long time ago. For the price, I'm not going to use it a lot, but for the price, it's worth it to me. Tell me what you think. Put some in the comments below if you think their tools are worth it, or if there's certain tools you would buy, wouldn't buy, stay away from. And then if you enjoyed this video, doing things like this, you know, seeing how they work, give me a like on it, and I'll try to do more of these. Also, we're going to do more Jeep adventures and work on some of these Jeeps here, so subscribe for me, and stick around for more in the future. So until the next one, we'll see ya. Boom!